Michaela,
Yes, Papi?
while the meatloaf is baking, do you want to make your favorite drink in the whole world? Chocolate milk!
Yes, I do.
Okay, Grandma, can you help Michaela make some chocolate milk, please?
Sure, I can.
Oh, great.
We'll set the table.
Grandma, can I put the chocolate in the chocolate milk?
Sure you can.
Plates. Thank you.
I only want a little bit.
Okay.
Knives and forks.
Where did all the chocolate go?
Oh, it's in the bottom of the cup. We have to stir it up to make chocolate milk.
Napkins.
Stir, stir, stir. Stir, stir, stir. Stir the chocolate. Stir the chocolate. Stir, stir, stir. Stir, stir, stir. Stir the chocolate. Stir the chocolate.
Cups.
It's turning brown. Clink.
That's good.
The meatloaf is ready.
I'll get the meatloaf out of the oven.
Oh, I'm so excited, Grandma.
First, I have to put on my oven mitts. Put your oven mitts on with me. In one hand and the other hand. Oven mitts protect our hands from the hot oven. Oh my goodness, do you smell that?
Oh, that smells delicious.
Delicious.
And it looks delicious too.
I'm a good cook.
Oh, you added just a little bit of hot sauce.
Just a little bit.
Oh, I can
So
smell it.
good, Grandma.
Dinner time,
All
dinner
right,
time,
so
dinner time.
Grandma, some for you.
Thank you.
And my love, some for you.
Thank you.
And Michaela, some for you.
Gracias, Papi.
And some for Papi.
Clink.
Oh, it's the ketchup. The ketchup is so good. Oh.
Mommy,
Yes.
can I put just a little bit more chocolate in my chocolate milk?
Okay, Michaela, but not too much.
Thank you, Mommy. I got chocolate on my cape.
Oh, freeze. Oh, everyone, look at Michaela's face. Oh, make your face like Michaela's. How does that make you feel? Oh, sad, upset. Well, maybe Michaela's upset because she got chocolate on her favorite cape. So on the count of 3, we're going to clap our hands together and see how the story continues. 1, 2, 3. It's ruined!
Oh, Michaela, it's okay. Everything can be fixed. We'll just take it to the laundromat and wash it.
Will the chocolate come off?
Oh, yes, it will.
We'll clean up here.
Great.
Thank you.
Let's go there right now.
We are family. Mommy, Daddy, Grandma, and me.